Well, there you go right there. I spent 20 minutes out in the shop here building this, and it is such an easy project to do. This is all leftover scrap wood that I had already. And that base was done last year when I built my other bird bath that I used a barbecue liner for. I'll put a link down below for that one if you want to know how to make this base, but I built 2 at the time because I wanted to have 2 bird baths. But you know what? This here is a lot easier for a lot of people to make, and I'm going to show you what the liner is from, and it's so easy. Everybody could buy one, low cost, 15 bucks, last a lifetime. Let's take a look and see. Okay, you ready? Guys, this is all it is one of these warming trays, these food serving warming trays. And of course they come in different sizes, so you have to make your box for the particular size that you need. And you just wrap it all the way around. It is so easy to do. Put it on, and there it is right there. And when you want to take it out, all you do is go from underneath, pop it out, and away you go. It's an easy bird bath to make, maintenance free, stainless steel. Like I say, it was 15 bucks for this. And you guys let me know in the comments below how you like it, because you know what? The other one I built was made out of a liner out of a barbecue, like I said, but who's going to make one out of that, right? So this here, making your bird bath out of a food serving tray, very inexpensive, all stainless steel, will not rust, fits in there like a glove. Thanks for joining me here today. This is a quick little project anybody can do. Never seen this channel before? Well, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again. Let's have some more fun. Cheers.